Hey, good morning, fellas. Good morning, good morning. We are live. We are live. Happy Monday morning. Happy Monday morning, everybody. Let's go. We are live. The final week of October is here. The final week before we go to Florida. I'm getting excited for Florida. I am getting excited. See what today holds. Wow. Looks like I would not be surprised. So we have a pretty crazy gap higher from Sunday. Sunday night gap higher was we gapped up from the 520s all the way up to the 720s. 200-point gap higher, which is kind of crazy. I don't know, man. you gotta. I keep thinking we might be in for a pullback, and then it just keeps going higher. This market is insane, and I don't know. I don't know what to do, other than I guess. I mean, we're just gonna trade. We're gonna trade our setup. I'm not even gonna try to predict what this market's gonna do today. But obviously, it seems like we just want to keep going higher. It's crazy. Big gap higher. That's right. That is right. Sorry, I'm don't mind me. I'm currently give me a minute here. I'm currently buying some funded next accounts. I'm funded next got a pretty good deal going on, and I am taking advantage. All right. Hey, good morning, everybody. Fred Yeager, Timbo, Jack Wiley, Sam Morrison, Ace Undercover, Niles, Jake Dell, good morning. Gutenberg, good morning. Citizen Zero, Christopher, good morning. Best Guest Trading, good morning. Jim O, Cost D, I am Bruce Lee, R5 Studios, hey, good morning, Black Coffee. Cly, good morning. Dabda, Nis, good morning. David Knight, Tanush, how we doing? Keegan, Eric Blash, good morning. Green Otter, hey, good morning, Golf Guy Mike, good to see you. Micro Player, Matthew, 3664, good morning, everybody. Let's have a good day. Let's have a good day. What can go wrong? What could go wrong? We're only going to copy trade 38 accounts today. What could go wrong? We're definitely going to have to step away. Hey, Tanush, you got another payout approved from Apex for 57K? Boom, let's go. That's how we do it. Let's go, Tanush. That is awesome. Congratulations and great job. I love to hear that, especially with some of the issues that you had. That is awesome to hear. I love it. Man, this funded next, buying accounts from funded next is a whole nother level of, oh, it makes me input all my data every single time. Kind of annoying. It's going to take me a hot second here, guys. It's going to take me a hot second to buy all these accounts. Wow, the market right now, we need market's going nowhere. Hey, good morning, John. Good morning, John. How we doing? Where's Kellyanne? I don't know. You know what? I heard Kellyanne. What did she say? But she's. I mean, I don't think she likes. I don't think she still doesn't like. It's not like she likes Apex, but you don't hear that. You don't. She doesn't say that much about him. Those Apex accounts take up a lot of screen real estate. I know. I don't know where Joom is. Joom is late. Go figure. Yeah, guys. I mean, we're going to have to, because I'm adding some funded next accounts as well. I mean, I don't know. I was kind of on the fence if I want to add funded next, but I do like them, and I am going to use them. I might trade funded next, kind of like I trade. I might trade them like I trade my Top Step accounts. And when I say that, I mean basically I might use funded next and trade gold only with those accounts. I'm already locked out of my Top Step accounts for the day. I'm already locked out. I need one more day. I need one more day, and then we can take about a $4,500 to $5,000 payout times 5. So we'll have, unless we mess up tomorrow, we should have a 20K plus payout locked in for this week, which is really, really much needed, to be honest. The amount of money I have spent getting all these accounts, we need that 20K payout for the month just to break even. Hey, Hard Hat Trading. Good to see you, Hard Hat Trading. Let's go. Am I not allowed to show Top Step? No, I can show it. I can show it, David. I will. I'll show it. I'll show it once I get to the payout. Honestly, I don't really show Top Step. I mean, obviously, I have to talk about it because it affects my payouts, but I'm not really. I don't want to make it seem. I don't want to make it seem like I'm promoting Top Step in any way, if that makes sense. Not promoting them in a sense of I don't think they're bad, but I also don't like them. Maybe that doesn't make any sense, but I'm not a fan of Top Step, but I have zero issues with anyone taking any money from them. So if you want to take money from them, I think that's great. But I'm not going to be promoting them in any shape or form. Oh, you've got to be kidding. Man, I gotta say, Funded Next, I'm gonna give them some feedback is they need to make their checkout process way better. This is the first time I'm ever buying anything from Funded Next. It's annoying. It's annoying. That's my one feedback I will give them. Jeez. It's like they don't want you to buy accounts, trying to make it as hard as possible. What the heck? I have no idea what's going on with this. Whatever. Is your quant guard working today for TradeAway? For me, it isn't working. I don't think it is working. No. Last I checked, it was not working. He was working on an update, so I haven't heard anything lately. Man, this market going to be difficult today? The harder, the better. It keeps you from buying too many. Too late for that, John. That ship has sailed. That ship has officially sailed. I told my wife that she needs to just look at this month's expenses. Just look at it like a investment. Just look at it like an investment. That's all. That's all we need. Just don't let's not look into it too deep. It's just a part of it's just an investment strategy. It might not pay off. It might take 3 months for it to see it might take 3 months for it to really be able to see the results, but it's okay. And that's what I tell my wife every month. Well, hey, you know what? It's kind of true. It is true. I'm doing my best to be a turtle and build the account. Hey, David Knight. Same. I am literally I am telling myself 3 months. I need to, it's okay if it takes me 3 months to get to a payout. That's what I'm telling myself. And I'm dead serious. I am dead serious when I say it could take 3 months before we get a payout, which I'm totally okay with. I told my wife for the last 6 years, and this year it's finally paying off. Let's go, Tanush. I love to hear that. I mean, on it, you never know. You never know. The only thing that it's a sure thing, if you give up, then that's the end. But if you keep trying, obviously do it responsibly. But if you're learning and improving, that's the important part. Why do I? Can I actually pay with Google Pay? I might try that. Hey, we might have found a better way. I hope this works. Man, this market is ugly right now. Hey, that worked. Okay. Google Pay is a way better option, just in case you guys are wondering, for Funded Next. That is a way better option. Okay. All right, we're still working here. Profit target makes loss. I don't think you can make 20K payment with Google Pay. It's not that expensive, best guess. I sure hope not. Are you serious? I am such an idiot. My level of stupidity sometimes is just really crazy. I forgot to use it. I forgot to use a code on one of the accounts and I paid full price. Arrgh! I hate when my stupidity causes me money. Do you have a code? Actually, yes, I do, Niles. I do. NBT 25 will get you the 25% off for first time users. First time users will get 25% off. Reoccurring users, it is NBT, just NBT, my regular code. Yeah, just make sure you pass that one. Right. Kind of easy to forget putting in a code. I don't know. It's kind of easy to miss it. No. By the way, just full yesterday and Saturday and yesterday, my internet went out both days. The last 2 days, my internet went out. So let's just cross our fingers today that that doesn't happen. Message support. I don't know, Citizen Zero. I hate being that guy. I don't know. It was my own fault. I'll pay the price for it. Oh, yeah. By the way, guys, just I guess some of you guys have reached out to me, email, whatever it is. And you guys informed me that my you guys informed me that my code for my funded futures, no longer was working. And so I reached out to my funded futures just to figure out, you know, hey, what's going on? Everything okay? And yeah, my funded futures just told me, hey, you are no longer an affiliate. Basically, my funded futures booted me as an affiliate. Said, nope, you're no longer an affiliate. I'm like, okay. I said, why? Well, you didn't bring enough customers to us in the last month. Like, okay, just go stub your toe on a bedpost. But yeah, we are no longer an affiliate with My Fund of Futures. I told them to go pound sand then if that's how they're going to be. It's so dumb. I mean, I wasn't doing My Fund of Futures, it wasn't like I was doing a lot of affiliates with them, but I wasn't promoting them enough. That's what they told me. They're like, you know, we want to see X amount of posts on Twitter. We want to see X amount of promotions. They want to see like actual videos promoting My Fund of Futures. I mean, no other prop firm that I'm affiliated with tells me how I have to promote their product and like how much I have to promote it or everything. It's just like, dude, go fly a kite. I told him, maybe if you guys would actually run a actual discounts that would be worth it, maybe then I would promote you. But until then, go fly a kite. Yeah, they did not like that. So it's okay. It's okay. We'll take as much money from them as we can, and then we'll kick him to the curb, I guess. I think My Fund of Futures is fine, but just kind of weird. It's just weird. I'm like, what is so weird is they came after me to be an affiliate 3 months ago. Like Matt L on Twitter was like, hey, love to have you as an affiliate, yada, yada, yada. And then I was like, okay, fine. I will. So then I was, and then 3 months later, they're like, yeah, you're cut off as an affiliate. You suck. I'm like, okay. So weird. I know they were doing the same thing to other some other influencers as well, which whatever. I don't even, it's not that big of a deal even. It's like, it's just kind of annoying. Man, it is a nightmare trying to buy these funded next accounts. How many accounts can I? Okay, so here's my OCD. I technically could have, so we could have 6. We could have 6, right? Yeah. 300K, so 6 plus 5. My math is off this morning. My math is not mathing. I just got 5 funded next accounts. Let's go, Niles. Hey, good luck, sir. Good luck. Thank you. Thank you. And let's do this. I mean, honestly, funded next. So if you're unfamiliar, funded next is, they were big in the Forex and now they're coming to the futures, kind of like funding ticks. But I mean, they definitely have better plans than funding ticks does. Like they're the legacy account right now, no consistency. And you can withdraw from your buffer and it's 100% profit split is pretty crazy. I mean, that's pretty good. And you can basically get a I mean, you can get a payout in 3 days, I believe, on the rapid accounts. Just kind of crazy. I smell a June. Uh-oh. Please no, John. Yeah, they have a really big they've got plenty of money for right now. Here's how I suspect. A lot of these prop firms coming from the Forex into futures, I mean, they are running some promotions that are pretty good. I'm curious how long they can do it. I guess we will see, but right now, I mean, it's hard not to take advantage of it. All right, market. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. One more time. We got to do this one more time. One more time. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's interesting. I've been keeping my eye on it. Looks like we're doing our best to press another new high. It does. I'm going with Take Profit Trader. I think that they are the best option for intermediate traders. Yeah, I mean, I think Take Profit Trader is great. Honestly, I think there's right now there's a lot of options. There's a lot of good options out there. And here we go, pushing back above the 860s. How am I going to fit 6 more accounts on my dashboard? We're going to have to... What? The Sam Hill? We're going to have to potentially look at rearranging some things. What? Hey, there she goes. 870s. Man, this is crazy. Well, it's setting up. Looks like we are going to get just continue to go higher. Oh, what's gold doing? Gold continuing lower. Interesting. Okay, I need to add another connection. I think they have been overbought since the year 2012. Man, this is crazy though. Like, look at the daily chart. Look at this. It's starting to get to levels of insanity. Actually, I'm gonna erase my levels here. They're not gonna be relevant anymore. Now it's just a matter of how do you trade new all-time highs. And I think the biggest, I mean, for me, it's pretty simple. We just do the same thing. Man, look at this. Isn't this crazy? We had 3 equal lows, like this, and this, almost perfect triple bottom right here. Crazy. Crazy, man. We might get to 26,000 this week. 26,000. Oh, I tell you what, man. It is crazy. Don't short. Yeah. Well, I think that's the biggest thing is if you trading all-time highs like this, honestly, sometimes it's best just to maybe not trade. But for me, I mean, for us, I'm taking a trade. If we just right now, we got to wait till we get a pullback and then we put on a trade and go to the restroom. That's my strategy. Enter trade, go to restroom for 5 minutes, come back and reevaluate. That's my strategy. See, if you think I'm going to stay here, like now that we're trading 38 accounts, I mean, what's the difference? 38 versus 28. Is there really that big of a difference? Yeah, exactly. Eighth undercover. Exactly. Remember what the low was in April. Isn't that crazy? Like, it honestly kind of boggles my mind in a way. We were at 17,000. We were at 17,000 in April. April 7th. It's hard to believe, man. It is hard to believe, but we're 9,000 points higher. We've gone up 9,000 points in the last May, June, July, August, September. In the last 6 months, in 6 months' time, we have gone up 9,000 points on NQ. It's crazy. Just display one account. I've actually thought about it. See, the problem is, okay, here's, I've thought about doing this, guy. I thought about doing this. I'm not joking. Let me see if I can. I thought about just covering my P&L and not looking at it. I've thought about doing it. I'm not even joking. I usually don't really believe in doing that stuff, but how many trade at one time? M. Susan, I'm trading all funded accounts at one time. The only accounts that I might trade separately, if I can pass these funded next accounts, if I can pass the funded next accounts, I might consider trading micro gold on those accounts. Because I have been watching gold a lot more. My top step accounts, basically my top step accounts, I'm trading gold, and I do like it. I've had pretty decent success with it, just trading the same strategy, and I honestly kind of like it. I kind of like it. So I might try basically just trade gold only on the funded next accounts, kind of as a test. And if gold keeps behaving, then I might transition into basically trading NQ and gold. Like, I will watch both charts, and wherever I get a good setup, that's where I will take it. But I will stick with A+ setups only. But I'll do it on NQ and on gold. And that's kind of what I'm debating right now. Like, I'm considering that. But I want to kind of test it out a little bit more before I do that. The other thing I have to be very aware of with gold, one thing I've discovered is gold really slows down around 2:30 in the afternoon. It's pretty, yeah. I mean, Slows down quite a bit. So you got to be a little bit more aware of when the volume on gold is happening. But I don't know. Right now, I do like gold, and we might add that to our setups. We might add to it. I mean, I'm going to wait at least a month before I do that. But this is my Top Step accounts. We have five express accounts. This is the balance we're at. We need one more day. We need one more day. I'm just going to lock in a $200 day. I'm not going to try to get it to 10K. Obviously, if you get it to 10,000, you can do a max payout of 5K, but I'm fine. I'm going to take out as much as I can, and I'm going to try to take as much money from them as I possibly can. But I'll be honest. Being able to get this Top Step payout is actually pretty key. It basically covers my expenses for the month of October. So instead of having a $20,000, it might not be quite 20,000, but it's getting close, of expenses for October, we can basically break even, which is a big win. And here we go. All right, market. I gotta watch. We gotta pay attention here. I am paying attention. How's the volatility right now? Volatility is, I mean, we've basically had volatility actually is not that bad. Volatility is really not that bad right now, but we're pulling back right. We haven't quite touched this 21 EMA on the 2-minute. We haven't breached it yet. Uh-oh. I don't like what I hear. I just heard a disconnect and then reconnect. What is going on here, market or internet? Please, internet. Please, internet, don't leave me. It's getting very whippy here. Feels like volatility is picking up a little bit. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of this right now. Am I going to be forced to take a trade here? Oh. I want to wait for a test of this 21 EMA on the 5-minute. Where is Ponzi? I don't know. Where is Pon? That's a great question, K Trader. He's probably behind the Wendy Stumpster. Yeah, it's just a Windows app. Yes. And he's gone. What happened? The pullbacks are deeper in GC. Also, Asia session is faster for it. Yeah, I'm trying to determine like the best times to trade gold. Because I think it's different, obviously. There's some things I just need to be a little bit more familiar with. But I'm excited. I don't know. I'm excited for, oh boy, I gotta pay attention here. We might have a setup. It makes me a little bit nervous, but we have to see where this candle closes. And then we have a potential entry here. Potential. But we have to first see how this candle closes. If we close red, we don't have a setup. But if it closes green, we might have a setup. Gotta be honest, it's not like ideal, but whew, we gotta take what's there. Only thing right now that I don't like is this right here. We're definitely getting a little bit more selling than we've been having. Yeah, I don't know. This is okay. No setup. No setups here. Well, and if we make it down below the 825s, then it's kind of, we don't have any setups because we've kind of broken the uptrend now. We might get a bounce here off the mid 828s, maybe, but we've got, yeah, no long trade setup here. No setup. We just could not close, or we closed below the 21 EMA on the 2-minute. It is hard to go short. The only way we could go short, I mean, there is definitely a chance we could see some shorts today. All we need is a move. We just need a move below the VWAP. If we get a move below the VWAP, we can look at some short setups. I would not hate it. I would not hate it after such a big gap higher. It's kind of I don't know. You would think we at least test the lows of the overnight session, but I don't know. This market, it's hard to go short when the market is like this. Sharuz, you think this is the high of the market for the next 3 months? Good luck, Sharuz. I mean, I don't fault anyone for feeling that way because it does feel like it's hard to believe that we just keep going higher like this. But my past experience tells me not to fight it. My past experience tells me not to bring rationalization. Don't bring rationalization into an unrationalized market. You just gotta, I don't know, you almost just gotta go with it. And then it is what it is. Are we going to just roll over here? Or is this now going to pump? Yeah, Carolina, all through COVID, I thought the market would crash and it just went up every day. Yeah, exactly, Carolina. That's kind of what I'm talking about, like prior experience. It just cautions against being too bearish when the market is doing this crazy pump higher. It just, I don't know. It doesn't seem to make sense, but you can get hurt and so frustrated trying to fight this uptrend. I mean, it's a great feeling if you do get the good move lower. It's really awesome. But you can also really get destroyed. All right, market trying to get a move here. I only shorted today and all my accounts are green. Let's go, Sharuz. Yeah, you can definitely get some shorts here on. It's been a very choppy market so far. It's been very choppy. And the plunge protection team is a thing. Oh, man. I'm going to hold this for a 300 plus point move down to gap fill Friday's close. Hey, good luck, Coach Captain Crunch. I don't hate it. I don't hate it, and I hope you're right. Man, I don't know. The shorts definitely seem to be have some potential here. Man, it looks like we are getting the pump. We are getting the pump right back up. Wow, look at that. Yeah, this is crazy. It's crazy, man. When the market struggles to stay above VWAP, it often gives it up, at least for a while. I mean, it makes sense to me for it to go lower today, but hey, we're following the rules. Right now, I can't take a long until we make a new high. We've got to make a new high, and then we need to wait for a pullback. We just dipped a little bit too low below this EMA for it to trigger an entry here, unfortunately. There she is, though. She ripping. All right, let's see if we can make those new highs. She ripping. Here we go. Let's see if we can breach it. Can we rip through to new highs? All right, now getting some pullback here. We need to make new highs, market. This gets tiresome just waiting and waiting and waiting. But I guess that's what we got to do. And there it goes. New highs. New highs. Why not? Oh, man. Why not? Oh, man. When do you trade top step accounts? Any different time strategy? Not really. Not really. Usually I just watch gold. Overnight session, I only took one trade. Took one trade on gold and made what, 200 and almost $300 and called it a day. Now we wait. Now we wait. I would prefer that we actually close above that previous high. Not crazy if this thing just pulls back now, but oh well, we'll wait. She came back for me. Look at the higher time frame. Help me hold my long. Hey, nice, Orlando. Does European session close at 11 or 11:30, Carolina? Oh, I think it's 11:30, right, guys? European session closed at 11:30. I think so. I think so. Not 100% sure though. All right, we are just going higher. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Man, she's a ripper. We're just ripping now. Going up 886s. Unbelievable. We might see the 26,000s today. I have a hard time going long up here, but I have a hard time with it, but I don't know. I don't really have a choice. Okay, yeah, it is 11:30. Thank you, BPCFB. Thank you. Hour changed in EU this week. Oh, really? So they had their daylight savings time this week? We have daylight savings time next week, I think, right? I think so. All right, we just need a pullback now. Get a nice I can't talk. Get a nice pullback here off the 21 EMA on the 2-minute would be great. And then we enter, and then the market just goes like a magic carpet ride higher all day long. We just hold our long all day long, and we make like $1,000 per account. Let's talk it into existence. Was thinking the same thing. Forget 26K at end of the week. Marketing looking like it wants it today. It does, Citizen Zero. It does. Yes. Okay. This coming Sunday is daylight savings time. All right. November 2nd, this Sunday. Good to know. Got to make sure I turn those clocks. Oh, it's 10:38. I mean, we're just haven't had anything this morning. When am I going to Florida? Thursday. This Thursday. We are leaving for Florida in literally 3 days. Monday. 4 days. I will probably stream. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to stream Thursday, but Thursday afternoon is when I leave. And it just depends how much we have packed on if I'm going to be able to leave by then or not. Okay, market, what is it going to be? All right, we're going to have to be patient today. Yeah, Dabda, I gotta just be chilling. Hey, you signed up for the Tradeify competition? Joined the team. Let's go, Dabda. Appreciate it. Again, if you want to join the NBT team, or if you want to switch teams to the NBT team, you can do that. Just go to your account dashboard. If you weren't here on Friday, so we have 15 Tradeify accounts that we are going to give away once the competition starts. So the competition, which first of all, if you win it, you can win 200,000, which would be nice. But you can join, and if you join NBT team, I will be doing account giveaways for every day, basically to the winners that are leading within the NBT team. They don't allow a dash for a username, so I changed my username. Yeah, that's fine. Just, I mean, obviously, if there's someone named Dabda, then, but like I said on Friday, it would be awesome if you guys change your usernames to the same or similar to what you have on YouTube. That way I know who you are. I think that'd be fun. That would be fun. By the way, I've been watching the hurricane is it Hurricane Melissa? Hurricane Melissa right now it looks like it is going to hit right. It's going to go right over Jamaica. Which is kind of, yeah, for those of you that were here, last year, would have been April of last year, we did a mission trip with our youth group from church, and we did a mission trip to Jamaica, and it's literally going right where we stayed at. So prayers to Jamaicans, and hopefully, yeah, I hope everyone is okay. Stay safe. It looks like Jamaica is going to get hit really hard. So if you're in Jamaica, stay safe. Be safe, man. It looks like it's going to be pretty bad. Yeah, Grant Thompson. I'm in kind of in contact. Yeah, just trying to keep tabs on it, but it's really hard. Once the hurricane hits, they're probably not going to have power or internet, and it's going to be difficult to even like kind of get information and know how things are going, and if everyone's okay. It's going to be difficult to know. All right, market continuing just to go higher, grinding higher now. Grinding higher. I just need to just got to be patient here. It's hard, but we got to be patient. All-time highs. It's hard to know where's support, where's resistance. I feel like the only place that you can kind of have it is the whole numbers. 900s will probably be some resistance. Other than that, I don't know. Just gotta wait. It's kind of crazy. Hurricanes are my least favorite type of cane. I don't know how I feel. Like hurricanes versus tornadoes. I don't know which one is worse. It depends, obviously, if you know how big it is and everything. But the thing with hurricanes, you get wind and water. The amount of water and rainfall that can happen is just unbelievable. It can do so much damage. Oh yeah, that Q. So asking about my furniture. So the furniture auction was Friday. It was actually, the furniture auction was Friday and Saturday. And no, I didn't. We ended up not getting any furniture. There was definitely some opportunity. There was some opportunity, but just didn't quite, I don't know. There were a couple bedroom sets. There were some bedroom sets that it was very close, but the wife has the final say, and she didn't like, some of the colors weren't ideal, but they went for a pretty good price. But we ended up not getting anything. So we're gonna have so much stuff on it. We're gonna have so much stuff to buy. Consignment stores are a good place to get nice furniture. What does my wife like furniture shopping? Does my wife like shopping? Yes. I just heard her yell from the other room. It's true. I will raise my hand. I like shopping as well, but yes. we we better be careful. If my internet all of a sudden goes out, it was the wife. She pulled the plug. Oh, it's too funny. But she's got a big weakness for shoes and sweaters. Oh, we better be careful, guys. We're walking on the edge. We're walking on the edge. She's outside my door listening, and you guys probably can't hear her. Big weakness for shoes and sweaters. Oh. Kind of like the same week. I have a similar weakness. Me and my wife have a great relationship and a great understanding. And it's basically, if she buys a new sweater, I get to buy a new golf club. So if I buy a new golf club, she gets to buy a new sweater. It's a great relationship. It works great. No complaints here. Can't hear her, but watch for the shoe flying towards your head. Oh, I love it. All right, market. Oh, we better pay attention, guys. Oh, hold on. We might have a setup. Everybody wait. Everybody hold up. Let's be patient. All right, market. Are you going to give it to me? By the way, guys, breaking news on Take Profit Trader. Okay, you guys, I think I shared this just last week with you guys, but one thing I've always not liked about Take Profit Trader on their giveaways was when you would do a giveaway with Take Profit Trader, you would still have to pay the activation fee. They just changed that. I can now do giveaways, and if you win the giveaway and you get the account passed, you will also get a credit for the activation fee. So basically, it's actually a free account. So we will be doing Take Profit Trader giveaways. Now that they've implemented that, we will be doing some Take Profit Trader giveaways. Oh, we got a bigger pullback here, folks. All right. Now we could still get a setup. Just got to be patient. Got to be patient here. Anywhere in between this 21 EMA and this 21 EMA, we could get an entry. So we just got to be, this is where we got to pay attention. Coming into this 15-minute opening range high, this often acts as support. Don't really want to, don't rip here, don't. Really don't want the entry up here. All right, we chill. We gonna wait. Hmm. All right, we are going lower. Interesting. All right. So we could see an entry right here. Let's see if we get filled. Oh boy, I gotta go to the restroom right now. I think we go for right here. I'll be right back. I gotta use the restroom all of a sudden. Weird. What? What? No shot. No shot. No way. Look, what kind of tell me, please. No way. Please, market, go lower. I'm begging you. Please don't do me like this. Don't do me like this. Got to be kidding me. No way. No way. Oh, that's ugly. That is ugly. Are we having fun yet? Exactly. That's ugly. Hey, I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. You're going to have some of those. Doesn't mean we need to like it, but we need to accept it. No way, this is not happening. No way. No way that is happening right now. Ooh. That is so disgusting. I mean, how do we get stopped right to the tick? Yikes. Yikes. Oh, but we gotta, it is what it is. It is what it is. I hope this dumps now. Like, just dumps. Make me feel a little better. Yeah, Trader Kevin B, it is what it is. I mean, it's a small loss, but that is the most frustrating part. Most frustrating part of trading is when this happens. It's not even close. At least for me, it is. Oh, man. Yeah, this is so disgusting. Yeah, the key is not to get triggered and then tilt. Agreed. I'm not tilting. We're not tilting. Don't worry. Don't you worry. We'll be fine. It's just unfortunate. It's just, I mean, that's part of trading. We got to accept sometimes we get stopped to the tick. It's unlucky. Sometimes we get our profit target filled to the tick. But it sucks. I ain't gonna lie. It's not fun. It's kind of mean, to be honest. Feels mean. Wow, look at that. Now it's going to pull back. Really? Anyway, whatever. I may tilt. Maybe. Don't do it, intelligent prediction. The one that sometimes the tick giveth and sometimes the tick taketh away. Oh, that's right. The SEC's waiting for a phone call. Well, they might get it if it happens again. If it happens again, they will get a phone call. Can you explain how payouts work with Lucid 150Ks? So the 150Ks, you need to get to a profit target of 9,000. Well, that's on the Lucid K Directs. I think it's 6,000 on the evals, and then you can take out 3,000 with a 90-10 profit split. Oh, that would be awesome, Citizen Zero. That would be so fun. That would be awesome. Funded Next looks interesting. I do like it, John. Man, you can almost not read my... Hang on, I'm going to change that. My wording is too small. Yeah, John. I mean, so there's a couple things like like they have a scalping rule. Basically, you're 40% of your profits can't be on trades that you hold for less than 10 seconds. So 10 seconds, can be a pretty long time in trading sometimes. So that's the one area that I saw that I was like, okay, well, that's something to be aware of, is like the 10-second scalping rule. So, but that's only needs to be around 40, if more than 40% of your profits are from trades held for less than 10 seconds, then you might have an issue. But other than that, I couldn't find anything crazy. So I'm definitely going to give it a try. All right, market. I'm kind of hating you right now. Our first target should be filled. We should be trailing right now. Oh, that makes me so sad. See, and I wonder to myself, if I would have placed my stop a couple of ticks below, would it actually not have been hit? Would it actually not? I think so. Oh man. You missed the trade completely, Dabda? Well, you didn't miss much. You didn't miss much. Actually, hang on. We need to do a screenshot and analyze the trade. Or we need, I mean, this trade, I mean, everything was on par, really. Nothing, there was nothing wrong with taking the trade. It was a grade A setup, just got shot in the tick. The worst kind. All right, this is trade number 12. Trade number 12 of 30. And the loss, we had a 68, 20, 17 point. Man, that is a very unfortunate. If I would have waited, I mean, if I would have been here, technically I could have taken another trade right at my same entry. I wasn't here though, so I really couldn't, but it actually would have triggered another entry there. Oh well, I guess try to not be a hindsight trader, but man, that's tough. That is tough. What trade copier? I use the Replicanto trade copier is what I use. I use affordable indicators as my account dashboard, but actually to copy trades is Replicanto is what I use. Oh, what do we got? What do we got here, John? What do we got here? Oh, oh, I like it. Raptoria playing Jurassic. Oh, dude, that game is so much fun. I gotta get it. I gotta get this game. It's good stuff. Hey, Peter Petrov, what a boring day. Yeah, it's pretty boring until I took a trade and got stopped out right to the tick. That was not so boring. It was quite entertaining actually that I didn't see. I actually felt really good about that trade. I really did. I thought we would felt really good about it, but what can you do? It's unfortunate, but what are you gonna do about it? Who ordered the chop? I know. I played the alpha. Oh, you did, John? Oh, let's go. Yeah, do you have the game right now, John? How's NQ trading right now? Oh, yeah. See, NQ is still just continuing. See these cleaner setups? NQ right now, or gold right now with cleaner setups. That would have been a short entry right here at the 4,006. Take profit one at the 996s. Anyway, but it is what it is. I'm going to start paying attention on gold. I'm going to start paying attention. Look at that. Look at this market just going to rip higher. Ah. Man. Yeah, Trader Bees. Gold definitely the play today. Yeah. Would you paper trade for us when no setup is present? I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of it. Why don't I use my checklist on gold? That I will. Okay, well, I am. I am currently trading Top Step XFA accounts on gold. And if I can get these funded next accounts passed, then I will use it on those. Oh dear. Oh, see, these are the setups I don't want to I don't like. I'm not going to take because we were right at the previous highs. I'm not going to take entries that are right at the previous highs. I'm just not doing it. This will probably rip up through the 25 900s now. Who knows? Man, that's so sad. Stopped out to the tick. Unbelievable. Oh man, this is going to be frustrating. What is my risk per setup tier? What are you using in a letter? I mean, I'm just using. Man, this is actually gonna. This is actually frustrating me a little bit. So, I mean, I was basically so when I have my entry, my stop goes below the previous low, which would be right here. So technically my stop was supposed to be at the 856s, but I decided to move it down lower and move it below this 21 EMA. And so yeah, thought I was giving myself a little extra room. You know, so I don't get shot in the tick. Well, so we still got shot in the tick, and it is what it is. That worst kind. It's the worst. It's the worst. All right. I need 5x8 inside dimensions, 8 foot by 4 foot 8 by 5. Hmm. This is totally gonna hit both my targets. This is totally would have done it. And there she goes. Mm. Yeah, there's the 900s. So maddening. Oh, it's so disgusting. One little wick. Just one tiny little wick. The difference. The difference between about a $300 day versus a $200 red day. That's the difference sometimes. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy, man. Hmm. Yeah, it's a game of inches sometimes. It really is. Out of your long, Coach Captain Crunch. Hey, good job. Good job. PW is short 120 cons. I mean, that's not a real account. There's no way. I doubt it. Tough to go long. I mean, it is. I mean, I hate this. I hate it. I hate it. This is definitely one of those days where you gotta be okay with just accepting some unfortunate events. Technically, I mean, even if I was here, I would have probably not entered here. I don't know. Probably not. Hmm. Oh, really? Is gold starting to make a recovery? Maybe. We would have got faked out on this gold entry. It looks like it's going to be a slow grind day. Yeah, Matthew, it does. That's why I'm so disheartened by getting stopped out like this. That's why it really sucks. Because if you're in a long trade here, I mean, you might be able to just trail your stop and just walk away. Let this thing grind higher if it wants to. But now it's difficult to get an entry if we're just going to grind like this. It just sucks. There's no two ways around it. It's just unfortunate. Nothing to do but just accept it. Is my team name NBT or N Nutty Bar? It is NBT. NBT. Now I don't know. I've getting close to walking away, at least for now. Coach Captain Crunch. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Yeah, look at this. I mean, right now it's just small little micro pullbacks and then right back up. Uh oh man. Yeah, I mean, 26,000 seems like it's just going to be no problem. Whoa. I just knocked over my microphone. Hello? I think we're good. Look at that. There she goes. If we go to 26K, oh yikes. I don't think that's gonna happen, but who knows? It's not real, I'm pretty sure. He's not even this is probably on a sim account. It's not even on funded account. It's definitely not on funded accounts. Maybe on evals. Maybe. I know PW too well. Who is in my lawn? I hear somebody in my lawn right now. Who's in my lawn right now? What are you doing? What are you doing, sir? What? These guys are aerating my lawn. Did I tell them to do that? I guess maybe I did. They're aerating my lawn right now. Get off my lawn. I'll let him go. It seems like they know what they're doing. I mean, these guys are just aerating my lawn like a crazy person. Jeez. That's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. Hang on. I need to go outside and check it out. Yep, they're aerating. They are aerating the lawn right now. Crazy. Ah. Man, this is something else. Should I call? Maybe I need to call Patrick. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm not calling him. I'm not calling him. That would be kind of funny, but yeah, it looks like the lawn guys. It looks like they know what they're doing. You want to short this, but you just can't bring myself to do it. Yeah, don't do it, man. Right now, we're bouncing off the 21 EMA on the 1 minute. Man. And bouncing off the 29 EMA or the 21 EMA on the 1 minute. Are we just going to get another one? Oh, here maybe we get a pullback. Hey, good morning, Mahendra. Good morning. How we doing? Timbo. I probably should walk away. Walk away and recheck the price action around 230. See how this looks. See how it's shaping out. But right now, this is just, I don't know. I am not that enthused. Talk about a grind higher. Yeah, almost no retrace at all. Look at that dip and a rip. It's crazy. She dipping and then she ripping. It's wild. I want to try something. Well, did I? I did get a good first day on the funded next accounts. Hang on, let me connect him to my Ninja Trader here. Only problem is you guys know who I am anyway, but it's always good to start off Monday on an easy note. I agree. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. Hey, you're testing Prop Shop Trader. Okay, good luck. Let me know how it goes. I know, Niles. See, the thing I don't like, Funded Next, I reached out to them to see if they can change this, which I can change it, actually. I can change it on my Affordable Indicators dashboard. Actually, I guess I could do that. But I don't like how they show your full name. It's not. Okay, we need to make a different font. This is going to be insane. Oh, this is going to be crazy. I don't know how. Okay, we're going to have to. Hey, can we see all the accounts here? Not quite. Okay, I think that'll work. I think I'll just go with that. Actually, no, hang on. Hang on. I can do this. We need to make it so we need to make it as big as we possibly can. I think that's the best we can do, guys. You probably can't see it too well, but I can't make it any smaller. Oh, and this isn't even fully. We're still scrolling here. I didn't even realize. It's only one. All right, hang on. I'm going to try. Oh, we're going to try something else. Can we do this? Hey, that works. Can we? Now we're just rolling over slowly. Not even. Oh, wait. Technically, it might. Do I have to take this in? Dang it. Man. Gosh, I hate this. I'll be honest, I don't like this one bit, but I gotta take it, right? I really hope I don't get filled here. Oh, if we close lower here, don't go long, I'm forcing it. I mean, I'm not really forcing it. This is exactly what my entry is. I can't. I'm not really forcing it. It's that's my entry. It is what it is. If it hits, it hits. We got to take it. Problem is when we try to predict it, I could be wrong. But just my 2 cents, I hope I don't get filled here. And it looks like I won't. So if we wick down below this, then I'm going to close this, though. Hey, good luck, Captain Crunch. I just hope we go lower here. Just drop it. Drop it and let me cancel this order. It's weird when you don't want to get filled, but you have to. Doesn't seem right. Yeah, this thing here is kind of definitely like that's the only thing I could use as a kind of. All right. I just need this to go make new low right below this 887. As long as we get below the 887s here, as soon as that happens, I can cancel this order. Let me do it, market. Don't. I really don't want to get filled. Nat's Newt. He's fine. Trust me. He's fine. Yeah, we're gonna get filled here. Okay, fine. Then go higher. Keep going. Fine. See if I care. See if I care. This will be my last trade of the day, though. If I get stopped out here, we're gonna be done for the day. All right, I'm walking away. I'm not watching this. I'm gonna take profit on my first one right there. Second target, let's aim for the 940s. Why not? All right, I'm out of here. I'm not watching this. Hey, we're back. All right, market. I guess I should probably at least move my stop to here. What a slow, painful death. I am fine with getting stopped out here. I'm totally fine with it. I was making me some chicken. This market is boring. I'm going to mute myself while I eat. Hey, rip it, market. Come on, rip it. What is this market doing today? I know. Tell me about it. It's crazy. Man, this is yeah, this is pathetic. Oh, really? Ghost 186 or 186 go, you blew your fund today after payout? Oh man, I'm sorry. That's so easy to do. So easy to do, man. Time to dust off the pilot seat in this mess. Hey, maybe that's what the market needs. We need to take the we need to take a we need to do a little flight. Maybe we need that. Maybe the market needs a little flight simulation. What is the FNF? That's funded next. I'll be honest, this target looks unreachable at the pace we're currently going. We're going to get to this target in about year 2027. How are you able to trade Take Profit Trader Pro at the same time? What do you mean? I just copy trade. I got denied a payout for taking too much drawdown in a trade. Do I basically just need to trade 8 more days? Yes. Yep, Jesus Hernandez. Yep, you need to trade 8 more days. Yep. That's how the cookie crumbles. They don't allow group trading on pro accounts? Marion, since when? Since when? I as far as I'm aware, they allow it. Or at least I don't know anything that they don't. I was in a trading, it went negative more than 750. A broker was just asking. Yeah, Jesus Hernandez. Yeah, you just trade 8 more days, at least 5 of them, $50 in profit or more, and then you can request again, and you're good to go. Does Ninja account for Top Step have a daily loss limit? Top Step X did not have. Yeah, the Top Step X accounts do not have a daily loss limit. What copy trader? I use a Replicanto. I use the Replicanto copy trader is what I use. We might be in this trade the rest of the day, guys. We actually might. We might be. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. I got nothing else to do. Just sitting here twiddling my thumbs. Hey, let's check. How many people are on the NBT team? How many people are on the NBT team currently? Let's see. Let's see if we can find out. Hey, let's go. 91. 91 people on the NBT team. Let's go. We're going to have so much fun with that. We're going to have a lot of fun with that. All right. I am going to move my stop now right here. Just do something, market. Do something. Man, what is this guy doing? He's still aerating our lawn. That's going to cost me some money. I must have been gone for a minute. What happened to my closet? Jose. Jose, you were gone just a minute, aka about 6 months. Welcome back, Jose. This is my home in Ohio, and we've been here the last 6 months. But we're about to go back down to Florida come Thursday. But I will not be trading from the closet this time. We've upgraded. We've upgraded. No way, Jose. On Top Step cannot be traded. Oh, that's what you were asking, Sharuz. Sorry. No, it cannot. Nope. Even beforehand, even when Top Step was still offering Trade-Evade, even then you couldn't connect to Ninja Trader. I have no idea why. Makes no sense. Market, if you could please just rip higher, that'd be great. All right. Would that be too crazy for you? Just do it. Jose just got exposed for being an unfaithful subscriber. It's okay. We have very forgiving hearts here. Is this a low liquidity or breath market? It's horrid. It is. It's terrible. This is going to, we do need to make new highs here though. I feel like I should maybe just take my profit here at the 20s, but I'm gonna wait. We're gonna trail our stop, let it happen, whatever happens, happens. Now, if we don't make new highs on this push here, I'm definitely a little bit concerned. I mean, if I was really being aggressive here, I could trail my stop to break even, like right here. Actually, I think I'm actually smart doing that because we did basically right below this EMA. We'll trail it here and just, I don't care. Let's see if it can go. If it doesn't go here, then we'll probably get stopped. But man, I tell you what, today's one of them days. All right, come on, give me new highs. Come on. Can we get new highs? I want to see one of those 20-point ripper candles. Rip it. Oh, I just realized. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Oh, man, I almost... This is totally on me. This is on me. Oh, come on. Don't be like that. Come on, market. Don't. I don't like that wick one bit. Man, we got the little ripper. I live in Ohio and Florida half the year. Yeah, pretty much. At least for now. Oh, no. This market is so annoying. No, it's so annoying. Seriously. The little ripper. The little ripper, it does the little whoop whoop. It's a tease. It's a tease. It makes you believe, but then it just doesn't want to do it. Now, watch. It's going to take a half hour before we go back and test the 918s. It's going to take us 30 minutes just to make a 9-point move. It's crazy. Hi, how we doing, Matty Matt? Yeah, you should have gotten filled. Yeah, she be teasing. Yes, she be teasing. Yeah, now it's gonna retest this. You know what? It's kind of stupid to have my end. I want to have my stop right here. It's kind of stupid to have my stop right at the 900s. Yeah, that does tilt me actually more. If I get wick, like if the market goes up and just tickles your target but doesn't fill you, and then it comes lower and stops you out, that will trigger me in a tilt session way faster than getting shot in the tick like we did right here. This here is not fun either, and it does frustrate me, but this I can handle way more than like getting your target tickled and not filled, and then it just rips lower and stops you out. That, I mean, that's enough to get anybody to start swinging. uh 400 mini short. Guys, trust, that is a sim account. That ain't real money anyway. It's all right, we might, I mean, right here is where we got to get a bounce. If we do or not, we might get stopped here. It's fine either way. We get stopped, we get stopped. Shot in the tick. That's right, tick hound. That's how it is. And just join her tickling and swinging. That, what kind of stream is this? Well, I try to keep things on the down low, but Give me a ripper, market. Come on. Rip it. Mm. Hey, can we get a bounce? She's trying. Oh, man. Live by a tick, die by a tick. All right. Let's see. Let's see if this is going to hold or not. If not, we're going to get stopped here. We got to hold above the 900s. We don't, we probably get stopped here, which is fine. I'll be a little bit annoyed, but I'll get over it. The Tushi, yeah, that's not, that's gotta, that's a, I'm sure it's a sim account or something similar, or maybe evals. Come on, market. Give me the 920s once, and then I can trail my stop again. This is, it's actually kind of annoying. Even being in a long trade here is annoying. It just seems like it's moving so slowly. He said it was 40 account. Oh, it was 40 evals. That's hilarious. 40 evals? No way. Oh, that's funny. We're gonna, man, this is so annoying. And right back down, testing the 900s once again. At some point, these 900s are going to fail. As much as we have been testing, as much as we're testing this, at some point, this is going to fail. Man, this is crazy. Will a newbie mess up the team? I don't want to hurt the group. No, Green Otter. Definitely won't. Join the team. We'd be happy to have you. Tradeify, Grand Cup, and NBT is the team. And it'd be great if you got, yeah, just make your name the same. That way we know who you are, and we can we're going to do giveaways. All right. We might get stopped out here. We might get stopped here. Let's see. Let's see if we get. See, I'm actually wondering what am I gonna do. Actually, I don't know. I know what I'm gonna do. If we get stopped here, I'll just call it. I'll be good. We've been in this trade for how long? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 16. We've been in this trade for 45 minutes. It's one of them days. It's one of them days. Hey, Stephen Cox, thank you, man. Let's go. Have you not seen how Nutty trades? Newbies everywhere. Exactly. That's facts. Facts. Oh, come. I actually just want this market to do something. Either stop me out or rip it, but do something. It's insane. Volatility's just died today. There's just like no volatility at all. Hey, Jose, let's go. Nah, you won't be dragging us down. Don't worry. Let's go. Thank you, Jose. I love it. Look at this. This market cannot decide what it wants to do. Cannot decide. Unbelievable. Oh. Where is the competition? Oh yeah, Tradeify. Tradeify, code NBT, green. Let's go, Green Otter. Let's go. No breaks trading. Hey, you blew your funded today? I'm sorry, background noise. Yeah, blowing your funded account on this kind of price action makes it even worse. Because it feels like you just don't even get a chance. It just keeps going. Now it wants to give the bulls some hope. Come on, market. Just do it. If we get to the 920s, I'm going to have a hard time not taking profits. I don't know. I mean, this is where it's hard. It's so hard because part of me, we've struggled to get above the 910s. Like part of me, I feel like I should just take my profit here and walk away for the day. But as soon as I do that, we're going to rip. You know it. Okay, let's just pretend. Let's pretend I took profit right now. Okay, I'm out of the trade. Yay. Yay, I'm out of the trade market. No need to worry. I'm out. Let's see if it works. Hang on, I gotta hide. Let's look at gold. We have to look at gold. That way the market won't know that I'm still long. Just don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. Shh. Shh. Don't tell him, Glacier Gains. Don't tell him. Oh, every bone in my body wants to take profit up the 920s. Every bone in my body wants to take profit at the 20s. Somebody, I need to walk away here. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move our stop now. I'm gonna move it kind of aggressive. I'm gonna move it a little aggressively. I don't know. I'm just gonna move it to there. Right below that 910 area, and let's see what happens. Oh. Hold the line. Hold. Hold. Everybody hold the line. Rip it. Rip it, market. Oh, you know what? I forgot something. Hang on.
Slowly but surely, I'm falling in love. I'm falling.
Let's go.
With you.
Rip it.
Slowly but surely, you're winning my heart. And you're winning my heart
too.
Slowly but surely, I'm losing my heart. And I'm losing my heart to you. Slowly but surely, my dreams will come true. If I spend my lifetime with you. You're just what I wanted. You're just what I needed. You're my every dream come true. My love's growing stronger. I can't wait much longer. I'm falling in love with you.
Uh-oh.
Slowly but surely, I'm falling in love. I'm falling
Uh-oh.
in love
Rip it.
with you.
Come on, Ben and Rose. Get in here.
Slowly but
Come on, Ben and
surely,
Rose.
you're
Don't let me
winning
down.
my heart.
Come on.
And you're winning
Come on.
my
Keep.
heart
No.
too. You're just what I wanted. You're just what I
needed. Oh, maybe I need to go to the restroom.
come true.
Oh, that's a good point.
My life's growing
If I go to the restroom and play Ben and Rose.
I'm falling in love with you. Yes, I'm falling
Uh-oh. I forgot the song ends. Rip it! Okay, this is a good one.
An acre of diamonds I'd offer to you, a solid gold mansion, an airplane or two. This whole world would be yours to have and hold if teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold. If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold, I'd have all the riches my pockets could hold. I'd be oh so wealthy with treasures untold if teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold. The tears that have fallen won't buy you a thing. The heartache you caused me won't pay for a ring. The love that I wanted would not have grown cold if teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold. If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold, I'd have all the riches my pockets could hold. I'd be oh so wealthy with treasures untold if teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold. But teardrops aren't pennies and heartaches aren't gold. I met my darling in the springtime when all the flowers were in bloom. And like the flowers out of blossom, we married in the month of June. Our love was like a burning
Yeah, I'm not muted. I'm good. I'm just enjoying the music, enjoying the trade. We're chilling.
sunshine in December.
No copyright. I don't monetize my videos, so I don't care. If they want to copyright it, they can.
Now God has taken my darling and left me with a memory. A memory I'll always cherish are these last words he said to me. Our love
I was just humming
like a
along.
burning ember. It warmed us as the cold winds blow. We
No, I
had
have not,
sunshine
Eric.
in December and grew our
Oh, it does,
roses
Ranger?
slow.
I guess it might. Oh, we are stopped out here.
Order filled.
Okay. Okay, Ben and Rose, you're done. Ah, what a trade. Ay, ay, ay. About an hour-long trade. I mean, it's better than a loss, but it definitely wasn't anything great. But it wasn't a bad trade. It wasn't a bad trade. Better than being short. I know that. Slowly but surely, I'm losing my mind. Oh, are we gonna get? Oh, uh-oh. Is the market trolling me today? Is the market trolling me today? I feel like I might be getting trolled. Hang on, let me chart this one. We're getting trolled today. Man, we really got shot in the tick twice today. That's rude. There should be some kind of law that prohibits that. Should not be allowed. Should not be allowed. But man, the liquidity, or not liquid, the volatility today is just non-existent. Non-existent. All right, let me get this. I'm gonna start. I think I'm gonna start sharing. Oh wait, hang on. Did I? What number is this? Trade number? No. What trade number are we on? 14, 13. Trade 13. Yeah, 13 of 30. Oh, it is such a. I mean, I think we're gonna have to walk away, man. Went back to my payment history with Apex, first amount exchange. I'm doing better now. Let's go, David Knight. That's the key. Making progress. Sometimes it doesn't feel like we're making progress, but then when we really step back and look at it, we can see the progress we're making. Usually we just don't make it in, as fast as we want to, but it's still important that we realize when we are making progress. Yeah, I hear you, David Knight. It's so easy to do. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it here. I mean, honestly, the summary for today is, if it's one word, it's unfortunate. It's an unfortunate day, because if this doesn't happen, we probably have a $300 green day. And it is what it is. Some days it's going to happen like that, but I don't know that I would do anything different. I don't feel like I did anything. I mean, obviously, if I could do it differently, I would move my stop 3 ticks lower, but that's not how it works. So anyway, take care, guys. I appreciate it. I don't have a Discord. I'm sorry. You can follow me on Twitter, whatever, but I post most of my stuff, whatever, on YouTube. So, all right, guys, we'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully this market decides what it wants to do. If this is the new volatility, we're going to have some adjustments. We're going to have some adjustments to make. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Take care. Hit the like button on your way out. Take care, and God bless.